This is a posture and shoulder workout for seniors and people who feel like seniors. It doesn't require any special equipment. All you'll need is a wall. Throughout this video, I'm going to give you full detailed instructions before I do a follow along portion of the exercise with you. No matter how old you are, remember that slow is safe and fast is foolish. Whenever you are trying a new exercise for the first time, do the easiest possible version of it and only gradually increase the difficulty as you feel truly ready and confident in it. There is nothing to gain in pushing hard and fast and deep into stretches or different positions that you're not used to. The risk of injury is very high and the reward for being that aggressive is very, very low. Because I'll be giving you detailed instructions on every exercise in this video, the actual video will take longer than just doing the workout on its own. If you'd like a streamlined version of this workout that you can use to just do the workout without all the detailed instructions, stay tuned to the end for details on how to get access to that streamlined workout. Finally, remember that this exercise program, like any other exercise program, is at your own risk. You take on the risks of your actions. They are not mine, they are nobody else's. Also, if you have any doubt whatsoever about your body's fitness to participate in any exercise program, please make sure you get medical clearance from a medical professional before you start. All right, let's get into the workout. To help with your upper body posture, you're gonna stand against a wall and you're gonna have your feet a little bit away from the wall so that you can bend your knees just a little and get your low back flat into the wall. Then you're going to tuck your chin, so you're kind of looking at the ground in front of you, and then you're gonna pull the back of your head towards the wall. You're just gonna hold this position for 5 breaths. You wanna make sure that you're not tilting your head like this so that you're looking up at the ceiling. You want to be looking down and pulling the back of the head to the wall. If you have forward head posture, this is going to be difficult. You might only be able to get kind of close to the wall, and that's fine. Don't force it. Just keep working on maintaining that position and pulling the back of your head towards the wall. You will feel muscles in your mid-back working. You'll feel muscles around the base of your neck working. And you just want to get used to that feeling. We're going to hold it for 5 breaths and then we'll move on. Now let's work on that forward head and hunchback posture. Butt against the wall, low back into the wall. And then you're going to tuck your chin, keep your eyes on the floor, pull the back of your head towards the wall. And then let's breathe. So inhale. That's 1. That's 2. Keep your eyes down on the floor. Make sure it's the back of your head that's working towards the wall. 3. Again, inhale. 4, and 1 more. Nice job. Take a rest. For this exercise, you'll have your butt and back against the wall and your feet planted a little bit away from the wall so that you can maintain pressure and feel stable here. Then you're going to interlace your fingers, point the palms towards the floor, and then bring them up towards the ceiling. Now we're going to go to one side, then we're going to exhale there, get an inhale, and then back to center. Then we'll go to the other direction on the inhale. So you should feel a stretch happening as you expand your ribs. Inhaling, you'll feel the ribs expand. Exhaling, you'll come back to center. Inhaling, you'll feel the ribs expand. Exhale, you'll come back to center. Make sure to take rest when you need it, and if you feel like you can't come up super high with your hands, it's totally okay. Just keep them lower at a position you feel is more manageable. All right, let's stretch open our sides. Interlace your fingers. Up your hands go. And let's go to one side. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. That's one. Here we go. That's two. Three. Four. Well, that's five. Nice job. For this exercise, you'll have your butt and back against the wall with your feet just a little bit away from the wall so that you feel stable. Then you'll put your arms up in goalpost position and make sure the back of your head is as close to on the wall as you can get it without any pain, pinching, or jamming. If it feels really hard to get your arms and head against the wall, that's okay. Just get as close as you can without pain, pinching, or jamming. Then we're going to be moving up towards the ceiling with one arm and then back down. Up towards the ceiling and back down. Again, if it feels too painful or too difficult to get your arms against the wall, you can have your arms a little bit off of the wall, and then over time, you can work on bringing the arms closer and closer to the wall. Just make sure you stay out of any pinching, jamming, or cracking, snapping sensations. So let's go ahead and get set with your arms in goalpost position, and then let's start with the right arm going up. And take your time, and then let's do the other arm. Only go as far as you can go without any pain. You just want to feel muscles working nice and slow. So that's one round. If it's too hard to keep your hand and your arm against the wall, you can let them come forward. And just over time, work on staying closer and closer to the wall, avoiding any painful sensations, no matter what. That's 2 rounds. It's 3 rounds. Four. And 5. Go ahead and take a little rest. You're going to have your butt on the wall with your feet comfortably in front of you so that you feel stable when you start bending forward. You can have a little knee bend to take out the tension in your hamstrings, and you just want to fold where you can get your body close to parallel to the floor. You're going to have your arms here, and then you're going to rotate so that the thumbs now are pointing up towards the ceiling, and then you'll come back down to the start position. So you're going up and down. This motion looks simple, but it can be really difficult, so don't force yourself into anything painful or that pinches or jams. Just go through whatever range you have available. Try to keep your elbows high and not drooping down, but again, respect your current limitations and just work to improve them over time. So let's get ready for your goalpost rotations. Your butt's on the wall, your knees can be a little bit bent, feet are nice and stable. You're gonna bring your arms here, spine stays in neutral, and then we're gonna be lifting up here. So here we go, get set, and nice and slow and controlled. Stay out of any painful ranges. That's 1. You might feel some work in your mid-back, that's okay. That's 2. And up. 3. 4. Keep it nice and smooth and controlled. 5. And we'll do one more bonus. Let's hold it. And back to the start and relax. Nice job completing the circuit. If your body feels like it can handle it and you have the time, energy, and motivation, I encourage you to do 2 full rounds of this workout. If you found these exercises helpful and you'd like a streamlined version of this workout without the detailed instructions, be sure to check the description box for helpful links and for a link at the end of this video to the Upright Health Seniors program. If you have a friend or relative who would benefit from this workout too, be sure to share this video with them and tell them about the Upright Health Seniors program. And if this video did help you, I ask you to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks, life shouldn't.